Hello and welcome Team Technologic. This is Ali Khurram with his sixth video tutorial with the project assigned to me chat application in cellarurban.com. The idea was of this application project was to find out those active agents who are live, and the user can easily contact with them for further information. So this was the idea actually behind this. Now I'm going to show you what idea in my mind is popping out, and I'm going to show you my idea right here. So here's my idea of using chat application in cellarurban first phase. So suppose this is our home page and this will be our look and feel. So our look and feel will be just like that. There will be a tab here down under this page, and once we scroll down, this tab will goes just like with our scrolls. So chat with our live agent. Here's a tab. Once we click on it or click on this bar, this will be shown just like this. Oh, the chat with our live agents mean we have to write here the name or email, hit enter, and we will go to this. We will get all the live user agents, which are the real estate agents, and we can also find a user, we can also find an agent. This is a dummy page just like here. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Suppose we select Peter for the chat, and we're going to chat start just like here. But once we are signed in, we have another idea to make a chat room for the user who is a member of the cellarurban.com already. So and suppose I am the member of this cellarurban.com. I will click on the sign in, and I will go just like my dashboard, and I will see this link here in my dashboard, all the active agents. I can also search who is active agent by zip code, as well as the city or the area and locality. So once I select, suppose, any of the users here, this thing just go to the page, the chat room page. The chat room page will be shown just like here, this. So here was my demonstration of this page. The dashboard idea is this. Here's all chat bar, the filters, and other things, who is available, non-available, whatever. So, and suppose Ramin is an agent. So here's my first message to Ramin, and his reply, my message, his reply, whatsoever. So this chat will be continued just like this. So this panel will be shown in the agent dashboard as well. The agent will be use this kind of dashboard as well. He can use his status and modify his status. So now come to the comparison for the free services and the paid services. If we use external services as free services or paid services, in free service we cannot get 100% functionality, but in the paid service we can, but it may cost much. Okay, and the less maintenance mean we have to less maintain the paid service if we are using, but we have to maintain a lot of free service. But easy to maintain is that we can easily maintain a free service because we can modify its code, we can change its theme and visuals and look and feel, but we cannot maintain the paid service as they are being authorized by other party, and they will not allow this. A number of users will be unlimited. It depends upon our services or our servers. So now come to the second phase, links of external popular applications. I have used the links and other things. So external paid links here, there are a list of all the chat room which are paid and free also. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, and their links, and there are 14 in my case, but I have I'm going to talk about talk free application talk.to. So and here are the other links and resources. We can go to these links. Suppose I click on it, I just go to the alternatives and companies competitors of talk.to. Actually I'm talking about talk.to. It is 100% free, no money for this, but the only limitation is here, we cannot modify and we cannot change anything. We have to copy and paste their script in our website, in our footer, and therefore we can easily use their application just like this. We click on suppose submit, and here we can chat with the and real agent or human just like that. But so this is a very easy to use software, easy online application. And this is a chat room look and feel of this talk.to. So I'm gonna show you by logging in into the system. So actually all these things they offer, we cannot change anything, but it's very helpful. But the only limitation is here, we cannot change anything in this website. We have to just use their link and nothing else we can use. We cannot modify anything here. Here's the monitoring. The admin can monitor history and the shortcuts and site and pages and whatsoever, and the security as well. And notifications are here. So we can also add the chats, my chat or whatsoever. And this is a very good online application, but I do not recommend this kind of external sources, because we are needing a very less we are needing a very less functionality rather than they are giving us. Because if we get out those functionalities which we required, it will be very difficult for us to extract out those functionality. So I recommend to use the customized application rather to use an external source. So I have shown my idea in my previous slides. So the idea at the end, I have come to the point, to the conclusion that we should make our own chat room application. It's not a big deal. It's not just like to reinvent the wheel. So the chat room idea for the our own made application will be very easy, because all the external sources are doing what they are doing. Actually they are using all these chats and storing it into their databases, and after their databases they extract out these all the chat from their database, but we have no hold any kind of data. But we do not need any storage in our database, and we just need to email all this data to the user or as well as the agent to their email, and they can also use their phone numbers and mobile numbers and Skypes etc. to chat further. But this is a simple chat room they can use. But the simple idea is that if we build our new application just like that, we can build it within 5 to 7 days almost, and it is no more than 5 to 7 days in my case. If I develop this, I just need 5 days. 7 days is more. But if we use external links, we have no access to their data. We do not have any access and modification for them. But and this here's another thing. So here are some other applications just like cometchat.com, and I personally like this because this is a very great software online application, and here's the demo. Now here's the demo. Suppose I just use my name here, suppose, and proceed. Here's the glass theme, and here's a synergy theme. So in the demonstration I just use this idea to modify this, but once we suppose we chat with Daniel, I click on hi Daniel, how are you? So it is actually a robot that chats with me, and we have also the video chat and other plugins here. But if you're gonna purchase it, it's a little bit expensive. For the professional it is $129, premium $249, platinum $499. We have very less access and we have very less chance to modify this application, so it is better for us to build a simple and new one application. It will no cost more than just like this $249, but only the hours of my work. It will cost only my hours of work, so it will save $129, $249, $499 if we use. But let's say what our expert says about it. So here was my idea. I was insisting to use our own built application, not to use a third-party application. But if we have the suggestion, if we have that decision there, we do not need to build a new one, then we can use talk.to for our simple application that is very simple and very free to use. And if we want to use a professional application just like comment chat, and then we have to pay for that. So here was all about that, and thanks for joining me, thanks for listening me. I hope you like my videos, and thank you very much, Team Technologic. Have a good day. Goodbye.